Hello friends, today UPSC conducted its first exam. It conducted the essay exam for the students of UPSC 2020. Today is 8th January 2021 and we are going to discuss the question paper of essay. Let's come to the first topic. The first topic is life is a long journey between human being and being humane. I repeat, life is a long journey between human being and being humane. So what does it mean? What is common between Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi, Osama bin Laden, APJ Abdul Kalam, between you and me? What is common? The thing which is common is that we all were born as human beings. When we were born, we had the same flesh and bones. We had the same blood, and we also had almost the same DNA, the human DNA. But during the course of life, all of them, they took different journey. And that journey decided whether they became humane or inhumane. So there is this long journey. Everyone is born as human being, but there are only some who turn out to be humane and not inhumane. So what does this humane word means? Next you can discuss what is the meaning of this humane. Now whatever qualities come to your mind, you can discuss them, such as being humane means qualities such as love, brotherhood, compassion, forgiveness, wisdom to see your interest, not only in isolation to the rest of others, but also in alignment to the interest of others. So there are many other aspects. Now you can go in detail and discuss what humanity or what being humane means to you. So definitely here you will list a number of good virtues. Living a life of dignity, caring about the dignity of others, caring about equality, fighting against injustice. Not only when you are the victim, but also when you do have the option to be a blind spectator, even then fighting against injustice, that is fighting for the rights of others and so on. That is caring about others, not living a too much of individualistic life. That is what humane means. Next you can discuss and say that somewhere we have taken the wrong turn, that today people are turning to be inhumane. They're not becoming humane. They are losing those qualities which are ascribed to humanity. So how? Now you can give examples. You can say that today human beings, they are collecting far more wealth than what any animal would collect food. Today some human beings, they are far more ferocious in the pursuit of their lust and carnal desires. They are far more ferocious than the carnivore animals, as in incidents like Nirbhaya gang rape. Then we can talk about that how the personal and political ambitions of some human beings, it is creating conflict around the world. It is creating tensions around the world, and war-like situations are there in which millions of people, innocent people, they're losing their lives. So all this inequality around you, all this anarchy, all this chaos, all these are showing us that humanity is losing its way and people are not becoming humane. Now after listing these examples of how people are not becoming humane, you can now discuss and deliberate on why so. Why this journey from human being to being humane seems to be ridden with so many obstacles. So what are the reasons? The reasons could be that now you think about the reasons. I could suggest some reasons such as the weakening of social institutions. Families are breaking down. Today parents are living individualistic life. They don't have time for their children. They don't have time to inculcate values in their children, and even children don't have time to listen to their parents. Today the market system around us, it is pushing us towards greed and materialism. The political system, it is caught in muddle of corruption somewhere or fighting for its own survival. Or in so many ways we can think about those places, that how social institutions are lagging behind. They are not able to perform their functions. They're not able to inculcate good values in us, and thus we are becoming more and more inhumane. Now the journey it has started from human beings to being inhumane, instead of from human being to being humane. Being humane basically means having those qualities which we ascribe to humanity, those qualities which we ascribe even to human beings. So all those good virtues and which we should be there, these are what can be considered as being humane. Now you will talk about some suggestions. Where are the suggestions? What can we do? We need these social institutions to again come up and play their roles. Maybe religion, poetry, art can provide us hope. Maybe that can provide us refuge and shelter. Maybe they can show us the light. And we should not wait for others to join us. If this journey is long, even the topic, there is a word long, that life is a long journey between human being and being human. So this long journey, it looks arduous, it looks difficult, it looks dark, and we should not feel shy of walking on this journey alone, even alone. If people are not ready to join us in having good qualities, in having good virtues, let that be. We should not wait for any external intervention from government or for anyone else. We should just have the courage to walk on this path. We should have the wisdom to decide the path towards humanity and those good qualities. And we should pick up from wherever we left, so that we can again resume the journey to become humane, so that we are both human beings as well as we become humane. So we are both human beings as well as humane. So I hope this was beneficial to you. Thank you, friends.